With over 30 years' experience, we have now developed our Konnekt K100 system, a revolutionary solution for precast concrete staircases. The Konnekt K100's unique connection socket is set within the concrete during casting. Balustrades are manufactured and subsequently delivered to the pre-formed concrete stairs manufacturer. The balustrades are either attached to the staircase flights before they are dispatched to site, or in the site compound to suit space and logistics. Site installation is simple and involves just a small adjustment and interconnection, with no specialist skills required. This dramatically reduces installation time, increases safety, and enables instant use of the staircases. The speed, safety, and simplicity of the K100 system enables effective off-site construction.